just found the most magical summer house. I'll share a separate reel on it. It's 100 years old and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got a thatched roof. Some of the sides are thatched. And it's actually quite cosy. Just in this bit, even without, you can't go inside at the moment. But and there's little different windows going round. Just a sec. At the moment it seems to be used for storage, but look at some of the artwork. I don't know if you can see the artwork there on the roof and the wall. So how lovely is that? It's beautiful, set in a woodland with the biggest trees. They're absolutely stunning trees. I think one of them says that the seed was sown at least 200 years ago. So yeah, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful.